In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Microsoft Outlook Calendar to Loom. By the end, your Loom account will be connected to your Outlook calendar so your availability can appear right where your viewers need it, and they can book time with you directly from your videos without all the back and forth. Start by heading to Loom in your browser and signing in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. This is where you manage how Loom works for you, including any connections to other tools you use every day. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Integrations or Calendar. Depending on your version of Loom, it may appear under different wording, but you're looking for the place that handles connected calendars. Open that section, and you'll see an option to connect your calendar. Click Connect Calendar. Loom will give you multiple choices if they're available. Select Microsoft Outlook. Picking the correct calendar provider here is important so Loom syncs with the account you actually use to schedule meetings. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft credentials and allow permissions. Approving these permissions lets Loom read your free and busy times, and when you choose, create events on your behalf for booked meetings. This is standard for calendar integrations and is what enables Loom to show accurate availability and place confirmed meetings on your Outlook calendar. If you're part of a company account, you might see an admin approval screen. Just follow your organization's process if that appears. When the connection is successful, you'll see Outlook listed as connected in Loom settings. From this point on, Loom can display your availability and let viewers book meetings straight from your videos. This helps reduce scheduling friction and keeps everything in one flow for your audience. Behind the scenes, Loom uses the free and busy information from your Outlook calendar to make sure the times shown reflect your real schedule. A couple of quick tips if something doesn't look right. If the Microsoft sign-in window doesn't appear, your browser may be blocking pop-ups. Allowing the pop-up just for this action usually resolves it. If you manage multiple Microsoft accounts, be sure you're signing into the one that holds your work calendar so the availability that Loom reads is accurate. And remember, you can return to the same settings area anytime to review the connection or disconnect it if your needs change. That's it. You've linked Microsoft Outlook Calendar to Loom and you're ready to make scheduling simpler right from your videos.